Good morning, everyone. So, we are the team members. Myself, Amisha Patel, Jay Desai, and Rajni Bobram. And today we are presenting our midterm research project, the real time tax filing system for beginners in Canada. Our client is the Revenue Agency, and our goal is to simplify the tax filing process for first time fillers using automation and real time guidance. So, let's dive into the details of our project. About the client background. So, first of all, the Canada Revenue Agency, it manages tax collection and social benefit programs in Canada. It is also responsible for ensuring tax compliance, social benefits, and supporting Canada's fiscal policies. So, why we have taken this project? First of all, preparing tax documents is very difficult task for many people, and submitting them can be equally challenging also, and especially for the first-time fillers or new Canadian residents. The Canada Revenue Agency also simplifies tax filing with a user friendly system which provides real time processing, assistance, and automation. Canada Revenue Agency also requires a web based tax filing system with a high degree of user friendliness, specifically designed for a meaningful number of users, providing exceptionally clear guidance with thorough set of step by step instructions and precisely calculated automatic tax credit recommendations for every applicable credit. Our target audience is to specifically target first time tax filers in Canada, including the young adults and the newcomers who don't have the knowledge with the tax filing process. So let's understand our project objectives in more detail. For example, our main objective is to create a web based tax filing platform tailored for first time fillers. So the system will automate tax deductions, suggest applicable tax credits, and provide step by step guidance. Our scope includes personal tax preparation, real time estimation, and secure data handling. However, we are not focusing on business tax filing, post implementation support. The expected outcome is more efficient and accessible tax filing process that reduces errors and increases compliance. So, moving to the research problem, how can automation simplify tax filing for first time users to increase accuracy and compliance, ensuring a smoother and more efficient process? So, expected outcome, that is reduced tax filing errors and increased user adoption of the tax filing system, and which also ensure compliance with CRA regulations, which also improve user trust in the system. So, moving further to business process visualization. First of all, current processes like user manually gather the text documents. After that, they enter the information into text forms or from the third party software, such as they file the text through some agency. Sometimes errors may occur due to lack of text knowledge, leading to incorrect filings. CRA processes tax returns and sends assessment. Proposed business processes automated system. So, how it works? First of all, user log into the web application. After that, the system guides them through tax filing with real time suggestions and recommendations. It will automated validation, ensures data accuracy, also highlighting any potential errors before submission. So, if there is any error, it will ask the system. After that, users submit their tax return electronically to CRA. By utilizing BPMN, we have effectively visualized the structure and efficient tax filing workflow that aligns with CRA's objectives of increasing compliance and improving user satisfaction. So, from now onwards, From the next slide, my friend Jay Desai will continue. Jay, please continue.
Thank you, Amisha. So, according to diagram, like it visually represents the difference between manual tax filing and our automated system. So, on the left side, you can see how traditional tax filing involves multiple steps, manual calculation, and potential errors. Then on the right side, a new system streamlines everything by using automation, instant validation, and smart recommendation. So this structure eliminates common pain points for the first time tax filers, making the process easier and more efficient. Okay, so next slide, please. Okay, so let's dive into our data analysis plan. So to enhance this accuracy and reliability of our system, we are using data-driven insights and machine learning. So how we analyze the data? So first we collect data on user behavior and common tax mistakes to understand where users struggles the most. Then we use statistical analysis to identify patterns in tax filing errors. Machine learning methods, like models, like random forest and logistic regression, help generate personalized tax recommendation. So what are the tools that we are using? So first is Python, like Pandas, NumPy, like Skitlearn, etc. for data processing and predictive modeling. Power BI for visualizing trends and improving user experience. So what are the impact? Like by analyzing tax filing behavior and common errors, we can continuously refine our system to help users avoid mistakes, maximize their refund and ensure compliances. Okay, next slide, please. So ethics and data management plan. Handling personal and financial data comes with great responsibility. So our system follows strict ethical and data security guidelines. So these are the ethical considerations. So compliance with GDPR and PIPEDA, like, and our system follows international and Canadian data privacy laws, ensuring that user information is protected. Then informed consent, that user will be clearly informed about the data we collect and how it is used, with the option to give or withdraw consent at any time. Then transparency in tax calculation. So this platform will provide a clear breakdown on how taxes are calculated, so users fully understand their tax returns. And for data security measures, end-to-end encryption to protect sensitive financial data. Role-based access control, that RBAC, to limit data access to authorized users only. Secure cloud storage and regular backups to prevent data loss and unauthorized access. By prioritizing ethics and data security, we ensure that users trust our platform and feel confident in filing their taxes online. So, in summary, like from um, my side, that our project is built on automation, accuracy, and security to help first-time tax filers navigate the process with ease. So, by simplifying the workflow, reducing errors, and protecting user data, our system makes tax filing a stress-free experience. So, from now on, Rajini uh, will cover the next part from the implementation plan. Okay, over to you, Rajni.
So much, Shai. Everyone, this is Rajni Boparam. From next slide, I will be continuing the presentation. So, in our implementation phase of our plan, we have 5 steps. So, let's talk about how we plan the project to life. Our implementation plan is divided mostly into 5 phases: required gathering and planning, system design and development, testing and quality assurance, deployment and training, full deployment and monitoring. So each and every phase, making sure that it gives project life to the project. So requirement and gathering. In this phase, we define requirements, identify complements needs, and finalize the project scope. So stakeholder meetings, finalizing scope, everything will be done in this phase. And coming to the phase two, where system design and development project here. So it might take at least 5 to 12 weeks, and this involves UI or UX designs, core feature development, and security implementation, making sure that technical stuff will be mostly done in 5 to 12 weeks. Okay, moving forward to phase three. In this phase three, we have done the testing and quality assurance, which took us from 2 to 3 weeks, which is like from January 2nd, 22nd to till February 1st. We have done this. And in this, we will conduct rigorous testing, including unit testing, integration testing, user acceptance testing, with first-time tax filers to refine the system. So making sure that every user, you whoever using this for the first time, whether it's working for them or not, all the quality assurance will be done in this way. So going forward, there is a phase four, which completes for deployment and training week. It might take at least 4 weeks. So in this week, we have done the deployment on a secure cloud server with training sessions and tutorial videos to help user navigate it, to how to go through each and every step from first phase to the last phase. So all of this will be done in the training week. And the last one, final one, is full and deployment monitoring. So in this, we it might take at least like ongoing project. After all the implementation is done, this is the final phase where we officially make sure release it to the public. So and monitor how people are using it, how is there any more security threats to work, and providing user support where if any user is stuck at some point, we will be providing a support from our end. Next slide. Okay. So to better explain this, we made a project Gantt chart. It's as a real-time file taxing system, making sure each and everything will be clearly displayed. So as you can see on the screen, there's on the left corner, there's project Gantt chart real-time filing system where it shows each and every phase. Full-time deployment, system deployment, deployment and training, request, gathering and planning, testing quality. So on what phase we done on what time. It shows what roles we played in the main developing this project. So Amisha, as a project manager, everything will be oversight and looked by her. And Jay Desai, who worked as a lead developer and system architect for maintaining this tax filing system. And myself, Rashni Upparam, I'm working as a quality assurance lead security specialist. And coming back to Anisha, she have done the training and deployment for the coordinator of the entire presentation. And Jay, he is a monitoring and supporting for the entire file time system. Next slide. Okay, so this is our deeply explanation for the communication management plan, where we have done communication type, objective of communication, how we done through which medium, frequency, audience, owner, and everything, including the deliverable. So how we done the meetings, and what is the objective of the meeting is like main introduction of the projects, objectives and approach, define roles and responsibilities, who is playing what kind of role, a face-to-face video call conference just to make sure everything is work perfect, frequency once in a while, audience, project sponsor, who is sponsoring us for having this project, and team members, stakeholders, everyone who are representing the yeah. To keep our project on track, we created a Gantt chart that visually represents a timeline. In the outlines each phase, key milestone dependencies, ensuring that step is completed on schedule. The chart helps us to manage resources efficiently and stay aligned with the project goals. By following this structured timeline, we can ensure that system is developed, tested, and deployed without any delays or major roadblocks. Next slide. As for the communication management plan, effective communication is key to successful project. Our communication management plan ensures smooth collaboration. So we on this basis we are maintaining weekly meetings, email updates, real-time communications, and project documentation just to maintain everything to track everything, and if there is any decision changes, we can go ahead and making that. So coming to risk management plan, every project comes with a risk. So we have a risk management plan in which to identify, access, and mitigate potential issues. The most critical risk we identify is data security risk, regulatory compliance risk, technical issue and system downtime, user adaptation challenges. So we are handling sensitive financial information. We have implemented encryption and increased access to control the prevent the breaches. So in regulatory compliance risk, our system is designed to align with CRA guidelines to avoid legal complications. And in the technical phase, we'll conduct thorough testing and have a backup servers just to minimize the downtime. And as for the last phase, we'll provide training materials and guide the user if there is any issue from the customer support. So by proactively addressing these risks, we can ensure that the system is secure, reliable, and user friendly. Coming to risk matrix plan grid, to prioritize risk effectively, we use a risk matrix plan grid which categorizes risk based upon their likelihood and impact. So there is a high risk, medium risk, and low risk. In the high risk, we receive immediate where if its efficiency is more than normal level, then you will receive immediate attention. And in the medium, requires close monitoring and guiding. And in low, it's just that addresses our need. Every need is addressed from our end. This approach helps us to focus on most critical issues first, ensuring a smooth and secure user experience. So, in the conclusion and key takeaways, to wrap things up, our project aims to revolutionize tax filing for beginners in Canada by providing a simple, automated, and secure platform, which makes the user easy to for the using of tax filing, and it shows the ethical and risk management strategies to ensure the data is carefully saved. So user-friendly tax filing, automation for accuracy, data security compliance, proactive risk management. This project has the potential to simplify tax filing, increase accuracy, and encourage more people to file their taxes independently without any support. And next slide. So, coming to the references and closing remarks, this concludes our project, which shows we have attached some links where we have taken the information from and how each and every piece is developed. So, by concluding this, we appreciate your time and we are happy to project our presentation. Thank you.
Thank you.